We are tracking some really big changes over the next 24 hours. Today is going to be a windy warm-up, but it is going to be brief because we'll be tracking the coldest air of the season so far by tomorrow. But winds today could be gusting near 50 miles an hour. A wind advisory will go into effect at 6 p.m. Rain and snow chances too. Even this morning, some patchy freezing drizzle around, but then tonight changing from rain to a mix and some snow showers, and then temperatures after our warm up into the 40s this afternoon. We will see wind chills below zero area wide. Starting you out this morning, satellite and radar. While it looks quiet, we do know we have some patchy drizzle. Those droplets too small to be picked up by radar. I encountered some on the way in. This is something we were forecasting for the past several days, and with where ground temperatures are, untreated surfaces, that would be freezing on contact. So 26 degrees in Indianapolis is where we are. 25 in Kokomo. There could be some isolated slick spots from that drizzle. Not expecting area-wide issues from it because it is pretty patchy, but that potential is there. Wind chills are down into the lower and mid-teens. Have that heavy coat with you as you head on out this morning on into the afternoon. We do climb to temperatures in the lower 40s, and this will be our first day back above freezing since Saturday, and even then that high was only at 33 degrees. But winds will be gusty. By noon, they'll be gusting out of the south and west near 30 miles an hour. And as we head into the evening, those gusts intensify. So as we get on into those evening hours, they'll shift out of the north and west, and gusts up to 50 miles an hour will be possible. So here's that wind advisory for central Indiana. Gusts up to 50 miles an hour possible. Some power outages could result from that as well, and it could make some difficult driving conditions too. That's from 6 p.m. this evening through 4 a.m. tomorrow. And in addition to that, we're going to tack in some snow chances too. So some patchy drizzle around in the early part of the day possible, mostly cloudy into the afternoon. And then once we get past 6 o'clock, that's when we'll have the chance to see some scattered rain showers developing, changing to a mix and some pockets of snow showers. And there could be some brief bursts of snow that are a little on the heavier side. Keep in mind, it will be rather gusty at this time too, creating a visibility concern, some slick spots possible as well, and some light accumulations as we see temperatures dropping well down to wind chills below zero, air temperatures down into the teens tonight. Here we are Thursday morning with those wind chills, and we could see some feeling like we are 10 below to start the day. Winds will still be rather gusty as we head through the day, gusting near 20 to 25 miles per hour. At the warmest part of the day tomorrow, those wind chills only rise to about 10 degrees. As we head into the rest of the work week, those winds ease on Friday. More sunshine comes out after some more sunshine Thursday afternoon, but we could see a few flurries around in the morning. Friday, a calmer but cold day still, a high of 30. We're back into the 40s over the weekend, 50s early next week, but even that's short-lived. These temperatures on Tuesday will be dropping through the day.